Power 5. It's going to be a Chevrolet pickup. Lifted. I don't have a weight right now. Speed's about 100. No traffic.
Get up already.
Passing Twin Drive. 100 miles an hour. White Chevrolet pickup. Could be a white Chevrolet pickup.
That's going to be 1063 for 1077 round 54.
Just drive down the middle of the road. I can't see behind right now. Passing Purnell Road, 90 miles an hour. No traffic. Oh shit. He just brake checked me. I tried to TBI him. I slid down the side. We're still westbound, about 6 miles an hour. Going west Justice from Old Highway 5. TBI. Show your hands! Show your hands! Show your hands! Turn the truck up! I'll blow your fucking brains out! I will blow your fucking brains out! Turn the truck up! Turn the truck up! Turn the truck up! Turn the truck up! Turn the truck off now! Step out! Get out! If you try to run, I swear to God, I'll put a bullet through your fucking head.
I'm not gonna run from you. I can't open the door. You want me to climb out?
Yes! And get on the fucking ground.
Hey. I love you, baby. You okay? I love you. Bro.
Lay down on the ground.
Hey, this was...
Lay down on the ground. I don't want to hear it.
Can I speak to you?
No!
Hey, she didn't have no idea about nothing, man. You hear me?
I'm 10:15 with the driver. I still got to get the passenger out.
Hey, and everything in the truck.
Stand up.
You hear me, sir?
Stand up.
I'm trying to get up, man.
Okay.
I'm sorry you had to do all that. She had no idea.
Lay down on the ground right here. Lay down.
All right. Oh. Hey, she had no idea about none of that, bro.
Step out. Step out.
Baby, come on. Do what he said.
Turn around, face the truck.
She didn't know I was going to run or none of that, man.
10:15 times 2 clear the net. You have any weapons on you?
I love you, Amy. I'm sorry.
(54:10). We're West Justice, just west of Old Highway 5. What's in your pocket? Huh? Roll my way. Put your legs under you. Put your legs under you, like you're gonna stand up. Come over here. You know that was real dumb?
I'm sorry.
You know that was a trooper at the damn 5 and 89. That wasn't damn city police.
I didn't know, man. I didn't know.
I know you looked right at me.
I didn't see you. And I'm sorry you had to do all that. I really am.